And then at the next intersection, the four-way intersection up there, we're going to turn left.
How many lessons do you usually do a day?
Today I started at, 7:30 this morning?
That's crazy.
But it's just I'm adding the evening lessons until June, until you guys are out of school, until the end of June. Then once summer's here, you guys are out of school, then I'm just going to go back to maybe 8:30 to 5 or so.
7:30 and is 9:15 your last one?
Yeah, yeah.
That's a long shift.
It is today, but it's just because I'm transitioning from my day shifts to night shifts. So I'm doing both right now. I'm going to make a right here. It'll balance itself out in the wash. Kick back. 1, 2. And we're going to turn right here at the stop sign. So at this street here, as soon as we turn right, we're going to be in the zone, the road test zone. This is one of the borders. They never come past this road here. This is as far as they go. They can take you anywhere within the zone, so I'm going to get you familiar with this area here. We'll scope it out, figure out where all the potholes are.
Yeah, smart.
Where all the stop signs are. Road markings, road signs.
I used to live around here.
Did you, yeah?
Yeah.
So no, I love this area, man. Especially in the spring there when all the flowers come out on these trees.
Definitely nice.
Yeah. So the roads now, it's not too bad. We can bring your speed up to about 40 or so. The road sign here just gives you a clue of what to expect around the corner.
So would you start slowing down when you see that?
No, not necessarily. You just keep your speed up constant and wait till you see the stop sign.
And then you say, okay.
Then you can judge as to when to start slowing down, which is exactly what you're doing now. You're going to keep going straight. Road test center is down that way there if you're not familiar with the area. Montrose.
Yeah, I wrote my G1 there.
Yeah.